Hello guys, today we are going to learn about some other theories of our universe. Basically, we have understand about the Big Bang theory in the previous video. So here we are going to understand about some more theories which are given by our scientists. So here are some four theories, and I have told you this theory also before video. So today we are going to learn about these three theories and some about this theory also. I'm going to give you a hint, you will understand about this theory. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to tell the name. The first name of the theory is oscillation model theory, second is steady state theory, third is eternal inflation theory, fourth is Hawking Tulip theory. These four theories are the most famous theory which are given by our scientists, and so we are going to understand step by step these theories from here to here. So let's go and continue with our video. Before continuing with video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and like this video. So the first is oscillation model theory. Oscillation model theory, what are you going to what are you understanding by this word oscillation? You have studied in 8th class or in 6th and 7th class that oscillation is the process of movement of clock down. This the clock hand the clock hand. Okay, this is the way how it's it moves here and comes at the place and moves there. This is the oscillation form. Okay, of the meaning of basic meaning of oscillation is this. Okay, and oscillation model theory says that the theory which is in model way. Okay, so basically the first point is universe work in cyclic manner. Okay, how the universe work, it that how you works. Okay, you first I'm going to tell about me. I wake up in morning, I do my work. Okay, I wake up in morning, I do my work, then I do my lunch and all these things, and I sleep at night. And the next day I do the repeat things that I did that I do today. Okay, I will do whole the same thing that I do today, but something is different. Okay, like this, the space work in cyclic manner. Like if you do cycle riding, so you see when you put a pendle from here, after some seconds it rotates and come back this place again. Okay, this is the cyclic manner. Okay, and like in universe, this is the same way how the universe starts from the point and ends to the same point. Okay, the next point is start with Big Bang theory. Basically, the if you haven't watched a video the Big Bang theory, you must watch that video. I've explained everything in that video, and if you watched, let me explain in few words. The Big Bang theory is the theory that is given by Stephen Hawking. Okay, and this is the theory this tells us how the universe starts from a point to this, from a point to this expanding way. Okay, how it start with Big Bang theory and continue till universe expand to its maximum size. This theory tells us that first they think that the universe work in cyclic manner, and the second thing it tells that it starts with Big Bang theory and it ends till the universe expands is maximum size. Now we are going to understand about steady state theory. Okay, give me some second, let me do that. So we have studied about oscillation model theory. Now we are going to understand about steady state theory. How steady state theory says that, this theory says that the universe basically basically universe has no beginning or end. Matter is continuing making or it is creating. Okay, this theory tells us about, this is the opposite of Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory tells us that a universe starts from a point and now it is expanding to its maximum size. And the oscillation theory is also is similar to, some way similar to Big Bang theory, but steady state theory is directly opposite to Big Bang theory or oscillation model theory. It says that universe has no beginning or end, matter is continuing making or creating. This theory is not prevalent at the matter at that moment. And when the Big Bang theory came or the oscillation theory came, this theory is not is workable at the moment. Okay, and it is saying that, I'm going to tell you again in short way, its theory says that universe is continuously making and creating, has no end or no beginning. How universe make, we according to this theory we doesn't know. According to Big Bang theory we know that the universe starts from a point to a maximum size is going on, and after that maximum size it recycle its form and uh, back to its point at a point size. Okay, and this theory, steady state theory, is is formed by Sir James Jeans during 1920s. Okay, Sir James Jeans during 1920. You can write these things, and if you want to write the previous things also, you can go and stop me at a place and you can write all the things. And other two theories, that is eternal theory and Hawking's theory, I'm going to tell you in second part. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.